Hello everyone, it's Mark. Welcome back. In this video I want to talk to you about the Marchman Act and whether a Marchman Act hearing can be done without you being present. And the simple answer is yes, but it depends. So when the court sets a hearing, normally the clerk of court will issue what's known as a notice of hearing and a summons. The notice of hearing tells you when and where the hearing will take place, and the summons says you will appear, and if you don't appear, then you could be subject to contempt. And what that means is that appearing at the hearing is not optional. The summons is a court order to appear, and it carries with it the full weight and force and authority of the court if you don't show up. However, in order for you to show up, you have to be properly served, meaning a process server or the sheriff has to come out and actually serve you, give you a copy of the notice of hearing and summons so that you're aware of the hearing. So obviously, if you don't receive a copy of the summons and the notice of hearing, well, how do you know to be there? But if you do receive a copy of that notice of hearing and the summons, if you are served by either a process server or a law enforcement officer, typically in Palm Beach County it's the sheriff, and you don't show up, guess what? You've waived your right to be present, and the court can and will conduct a hearing without you, which means you're waiving any opportunity to fight the allegations that are being made against you, either at an assessment hearing or a treatment services hearing. Now ultimately, if the court listens to the evidence of the petitioner and grants their petition, the court can then go ahead and issue what's known as a pickup order, akin to an arrest warrant but civil in nature. So the hearing takes place without you, the court rules against you, and then basically issues an order telling the police to go and get you. And so the simple truth is that, yeah, I mean, the court can do a hearing without you. And if you have been served appropriately and you don't show up, well, then you waive your right to complain about it after the fact. So if you get served, you need to go to court. And if you don't, and you ignore the court's summons and the order to be there, then, I guess after the fact, you'll have to deal with the consequences. So that's the answer to that question, and it was a great question. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.